Greetings, River Lady here, and welcome to Hydrangea 911. My neighbor came over the other day and brought this little hydrangea with her. She had been given it as a Mother's Day present, and with every intention of planting it in her garden, she placed it on her back porch and then forgot about it. It's been getting rainwater, she assumes. She hasn't fed it. She hasn't done anything with it. And now she thinks that she killed it, and she wants to know if I can bring it back to life. She must think I'm a very powerful earth witch. Anyway, I'm going to just give the plant some water at this point. I'm not going to trim it. I'm not going to stress it any more than the poor thing already is. So stay tuned for the next installment of Hydrangea 911 to see what happens next.